Welcome back. Now we're going to have a very short presentation because I want to clarify a few words that pop up all the time, and people are never really clear what they mean. One of those words is hue. So the noun hue means both the color and the shade of a color. So green, orange, yellow, and blue, each of these is a hue, a color or a shade that's true. A rainbow shows the melting of one hue into another. If you look at the right, these are hues, and a hue is a pure color. That's the key word. Hue equals pure color. So it's a color without any white added to it or any black added to it. If the color has a mixture of yellow and red, that's still a hue. If the color is a mixture of red and blue, that is still a hue. But as soon as you add black and white to it, it is no longer a hue. So just keep in mind, hue equals pure color. Color without white and without black. The other word that's really confusing for a lot of people is value. Value is the lightness or darkness of a color. Value deals with light. The light pink is a light value, the dark pink is a dark value. Value helps create spatial illusions, so that's why we have value. Create depth. That's what that means. Contrast of value separates objects in space. So, for example, if I have a light value next to a dark value, it creates a line, whereas a gradation of value, like the one above, the grayscale, it suggests mass and it creates contours. It creates shapes. On the right, you can see where the light value is, and you can see where the dark value is. And there's variations in between. So I have light values that lead gradually to darker values. So that's it for this section. I just wanted to clear things up. Let me summarize one more time. Value is the lightness of a color or the darkness of a color. Hue is the purity of the color. It's a color without any white or black added to it. So a pure color can be a primary color, but it can also be a secondary color and a tertiary color. So try to absorb this. What you can do now is create a painting with hue or a painting with value, and then we'll see you in the next section. That's it for now.